Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably Audi. It comes with great features you'll love: auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.